Hello again, Cardinals. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the academic course catalog. So something to kind of keep in mind when we're going through this is just understanding that you, first and foremost, are really responsible for understanding and fulfilling program and graduation requirements. So the reason this is so important is so that you can know what those requirements are and also know how they fit into your four-year plan. So at this point, you maybe already have a four-year plan that you've made with your academic advisor, and that's awesome. That's great. You're going to still want to go through your course catalog requirements to make sure that everything is accounted for on your four-year plan. So one thing to really keep in mind, you are responsible for the course catalog of the year that you entered Concordia, okay? There are two components to your graduation requirements. There's the core curriculum requirements, and then there's your major and minor program requirements, okay? For a lot of you, those will be under the exact same catalog because you came in as a freshman, maybe you declared the fall semester, maybe you declared the spring semester, but either way, that's the same catalog, and so you'll only be working with one catalog. In some cases, maybe you changed your major, maybe you just declared late, which is fine too, and so maybe you declared fall of your sophomore year. In that case, you would be responsible for the core requirements under your freshman year catalog, and then you would be responsible for your program, your major or program requirements for the year that you declared your major. So for some of you, you may be working from two catalogs, and you just want to keep that in mind when you're looking at everything. So I'm going to show you, and just keep in mind that during this video, I'm going to be going over a lot of hypotheticals. So if I say, if you entered a freshman, you're in 2018, 2019 is your catalog. It's for whatever corresponding year you entered Concordia, okay? So I just want to keep that in mind. I'm going to be speaking in a lot of like hypotheticals and examples. I just want you to keep that in mind that your freshman year is whatever that fall is. So for this year is an example, it would be the 2019-2020 catalog, right? The fall was 2019, your spring was 2020. That would be your catalog, okay? So I'm gonna really quickly show you how to get there. And I just started right off the bat with a Google web screen, okay? Just pulled up the internet, and first step, you're gonna go to the Concordia Ann Arbor website, okay? And I just like to clarify, it is the website, it is not portal, okay? Because I say website a lot, and I think people mistake me. So you're gonna go to search, and in a really nice way, course catalog is already a search option. Okay. Now, again, in a really nice way, if you're a freshman, all you have to do is you click undergraduate catalog, it pops up, you click Ann Arbor main campus, and then you can navigate on the side here, all the different schools and majors and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is just an example. Here's the curriculum, boom, everything's right there. Okay, now for a lot of you, it's not your freshman year. So I'm going to show you how you find the catalog that you need to be under. So I'm going to go back to this main page, click on undergraduate archive. And again, here's the archive. You click on your corresponding year. Okay, so if you are a freshman in 2017, you'd click on 2017. I think you guys get the point. If you're a freshman in 2018, you click here. Next year, there will be a link for the 2019, 2020. I did have some things already pulled up just to kind of show you. In the 2017 catalog, I'm just showing you how to access what the core curriculum is. Now right here, obviously I've already scrolled to this place. This is a big PDF document. It's page 41. It says the core curriculum. And right here, it just lists all the core curriculum. So you're going to combine that core curriculum that I was talking about and your major program requirements, okay? So let's say I'm a freshman, came in 2017, I declared art my freshman year, and nothing's changed and nothing's gonna change, okay? This is the core I would use, and then I chose art because it was the first one. It's easy enough. So, and then I would take a look at all these course requirements, and that is how I would determine what classes to take. I would compare that to my 4-year plan, make sure that all the courses are accounted for, make sure all the core courses are accounted for, and if they aren't, if I feel like I'm missing something, ask a bunch of questions, get in contact with my academic advisor, figure out maybe they messed up and forgot, or maybe they know something you don't know. So just making sure that you're taking a look at those pieces. Now, something to keep in mind, this is kind of just a little nuance for those freshmen who entered in 2018. I already pulled up the catalog again. The core curriculum is right here, and it's listed on page 79. Now, I think, and this is under the School of Business, I think it was just a printing error, because usually it's at the beginning of the course catalog, but it is right here. So I just want to point that out. And again, that's kind of a nuance for freshmen of 2018 only. So now I'm going to do the example of I came in as a freshman in 2017, but I didn't declare until 2018. So again, here's 2017. I would utilize, I would utilize this core curriculum because I'm still responsible for that. That's when I came in. And then I would utilize the 2018 catalog for whatever my major or program is. So let's just say, because it's right here, I'm just a business major. So, and then I would use those classes right there for my major requirements. So that's how you find all your requirements. Just make sure, again, that you are looking over your 4-year plan, that you're making sure that you understand how your requirements fit in to the 4-year plan, that you're double checking work that that you've done with your academic advisor, and just make sure that you're utilizing the right catalog and you can't go wrong, okay? It's really important to just make sure that you are, you have clarity about your course and program requirements so that you can be successful when graduation comes and so that you're not missing any classes. So that's all. In the following videos, I'm gonna be talking about how to compare your course requirements with your transcripts, how to even maybe possibly map that out. But for now, these should get you started on your academic planning. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.